Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook, and I am going to give you the step-by-step breakdown throughout the video. I hope you will watch the video with your focus. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in our Outlook, and if you are watching this video, it means you already created an Outlook account and now you want to explore furthermore to send mail and other stuff. So first of all, you need to be understand what is email template. Email templates is really save your time and ensure consistent messaging, especially when you send similar emails repeatedly. For example, confirmation, follow-ups, support replies. Outlook 2025 makes using and managing templates easier than ever with new tools and AI integration. That for reason you need to be use your template. So if you click over here in the Outlook, so you will get this kind of an interface. The interface will be like this. So let's go and over here and like similar this. So when you will arrive in Outlook application, so you need to remember that Outlook has a application in Windows. So if you have an application, you can allow this access from that place, or if you not, then you can use the browser for access Outlook. Let's go here, and here you will find out this outlook.live.com mail option. So here you just need to be sign in. Once you sign in, then again you will get this similar kind of an interface over that place. So here once you become that place, you just need to be click on new mail. So I'm going to click over here. Once you click over here, then you will get an option to send mail to a person. So here you can see I'm giving it to malmine658@gmail.com, and now I am going to add a template over that place. So here I will click on insert. So here you in the ribbon you will have couple of options. Here you can see home, view, help, messages, and insert. Just click over here insert. Once you click over here, in the next you can see in the row we have various options like attach file, links, signature, pictures, and emoji, and also table. But where is the template option? So in here next to the table you will find out this called enhance Outlook with apps. This apps button, just click over here. Once you click over here, then here you will see my template options. Just click over here my template, and once you click over here, then you will get this kind of option that call my template, and here we have some information. Let's read it. My template is an add in that lets you create templates that you can add to your message by selecting insert template. You could include text and images in your templates. It's best to save your images to a location you control, such as OneDrive for business. If you link to an image on the internet, it might be removed without your knowledge and break the image link in your add-on. So let's click on continue using the template. I will reply later. This is by default template. You can see we have some lunch. I'm running late. I will reply later. So I want to use one of them. Just click over here. As you can see, if I click over here, they already pasted the template in our inbox. So here you can see finally that result is heading to a meeting. I will get back to you soon. So I'm going to add a subject. Once I add the subject, the email is fully completed to send. So right now I just want to custom template in that place. So here if I want to edit one of them, just here you need to be click on edit template option, and here you will have the option to edit template. If you want to delete it, you are allowed to delete it from clicking delete template. So the process is really simple. So let's create a template over here. So once I click over here, I hope you follow the video. So here you just need to be click on template. Once you click over here, then you will be redirected to this box. Here they are asking for title, and in that platform you are allowed to paste your template. So I'm going to help ChatGPT. So here I am going to click on Mozilla, and that platform I will search ChatGPT. ChatGPT will be good to go platform for us. So I'm going to click over here, and now I will ask anything they are telling us. So I'm going to ask something that give me a template for my client for the meeting, and also I will mention that it will be an email template. Then click over here, and now you can see they are giving us the template. So let's wait a bit, and then I will get the result over that place. So here you can see we already get an result. So I will copy whole email over that place, and now I will come back to this place and I will paste it here. So here you can see I will copy this subject and control cut it, and then I will paste it here. Once I paste it here, I will need to be changes over that place. So hi, this will be our client first name. Our client first name will be Mahin, and I hope you are doing well. I'm writing your confirm request our upcoming meeting to discuss brief reason, for example project updates, collaboration opportunity, next step details. You need to be insert your date. So let's click on the save, and now you can see our email template has been saved. Now if I want to use all of this template, I just need to be click over here, and now you can see our email has been pasted over that place. And here you need to be change it by your own, like sometimes you're sending a mail to your customer and this customer name will be Rahman, then here you need to be change it to Rahman. Then here you need to be change your date when the meeting will be held on. So I'm going to insert a date that will be 12/5/2025, and time will be 10 a.m. morning, 10 a.m. and location will be Dallas, USA, and duration it will be around 15 to 60 minute meeting. Then here you can see please let me know if the proposed time works for you or suggest an alternative convenient. So here you name, my name is Amri, my position is HR on Apple, and your company name is Apple. Phone number, provide your phone number and your email address. My Outlook address almahin1@outlook.com, or you can check this out, is it really okay or not. Once you complete it, you can paste it your phone number. My phone number will be 880-217-658541, and now you just hit, and you need to add a subject meeting and click on send. Once you click over here, now let's check this out. Here you can see our email has been sent it here. So in this way you can easily use template over Outlook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.